AI trading bots are everywhere right now. So let's actually build one. The real pieces, real Python code, and the honest truth about why most people lose money. A trading bot is just a program. It watches the market, decides to buy or sell using rules you've set, and it does it 24/7 with zero emotions and zero sleep. And every bot, no matter how fancy, is really just four parts: a data feed for live prices, a strategy with the rules, an exchange connection to place trades, and risk control so it doesn't blow up your account. Step 1. The data. With one free library called CCXT, you pull live candles, the price over time, from basically any crypto exchange. That's your bot's eyes. Step 2. The strategy. The classic beginner move, 2 moving averages. When the fast one crosses above the slow one, that's a buy. Crosses below, that's a sell. Simple, but real. Step 3, and this is the one people skip, backtest it. Run the strategy on past data first. If it can't make money on history, it definitely won't with your real cash. Step 4, actually trade. You add your exchange API keys, and now those same signals can fire real market orders automatically. This is where it stops being a toy. Step 5, let it run. Wrap it in a loop on a timer, but always with a kill switch. If you're down 5%, the bot stops itself and alerts you. That one rule saves accounts. Now the honest part. Most bots lose, and here's why. They're overfit to the past, fees and slippage quietly eat the edge, and without risk control, one bad day wipes everything. Start on paper, trade tiny, respect the risk. And that's the whole game. Data, strategy, execution, risk. Start on paper, never risk what you can't lose, and for more like this every week, it's all free at shippedweekly.com.